Hello everyone. For today's episode, we are going to make champorado, also known as chocolate rice pudding. I have here a leftover rice. I recommend that you use white rice, calrose or sushi rice, or glutinous rice as it will thicken the texture better than other rice. Add some water. Don't worry if you put less water for now, as you can add water later if necessary. I am separating the clumpy rice for better results. I am going to use Hershey's cocoa powder for today's champorado because that's what I have available in my pantry. You can use any cocoa powder, I think, but it's better if you use the OG, the tablilla. I am not going to wait for the water to boil and just add the melted cocoa powder and stir. Add as much as you want. Let it boil. Once it boils, keep stirring so that the rice will not stick to the bottom and the texture will be thicker or become slurry faster. Add sugar to taste. If you put a lot of water like what I did, reduce the liquid by letting it simmer, but make sure to stir it frequently. You can serve this hot or cold, but best to serve with additional milk and or tuyo. Enjoy!